morning, everyone.
Good morning.
This is Mohin. Today, my presentation topic is the role of a manager. Here, we all know in the organizations that there is a 3 levels of management: lower level management, middle level management, and top level management. So we know that the top level managements are the GM, normally known as general managers. And also in the lower level management are the lower level managements are the persons who are actually in the execution levels. They are actually from execution from ordering to money collections. And in the middle level managements, there is a managers. In the top level managers, there is a in every stages management have the different roles and responsibilities. In the top level managements, actually they are taking the decisions, and they are taking the in the top level managements actually they are taking the decisions and implement the strategies. And in the lower level management, actually they are execution. And in the middle level management, we know them, they are the managers. So managers in every stages they have some responsibilities. When a company actually hire a managers, they want to hire a managers who have the specific knowledge, experience, and skills in a specific industries. Because to manage the lower level management, they have to have these kinds of skills, because in the lower level management they are performing the execution. So to perform the execution, they must have this knowledge. And in the lower level management, the higher controlling person is supervisor. Actually, supervisors their subordinates worse. So, what is the role of managers actually? Role of managers actually to support the top management in the to support the top management's strategies implementations. And the lower level and the manager's responsibilities is to lower level to improve the productivity. Improve the productivity of the lower level managers. Sometimes we see that the managers are very much busy in the lower level management, because sometimes they think that they are very much skilled, experienced, and knowledgeable, so that they can perform shortly other than their subordinates. Actually, managers made mistakes here, that they are postponing the actually subordinates development, because when they are involving here, they are not thinking that how they actually perform their work efficiently, or perform their work new way. So managers actually manager should not actually always performing here. So as in the as the business structure always is business environment is always dynamic. So sometimes managers need to think differently, like they should think to change the they should think to change something. So now I am discussing about the business life cycle, how actually managers should do in every stages of the business life cycle. When a company is established, like a foreign company, when it comes in Bangladesh, sometimes they are in introduction level. They may fail sometimes, but when actually in this stage a company fail, parent company may sometimes decide that they can go into liquidation later or sooner. So here actually, what is the responsibilities of the management here? Managers. Managers' responsibilities here as an he should act as an entrepreneur actually. So as an entrepreneur, actually he set the strategies. He should set the strategies because in the introduction level, introduction level, whenever he establishes the strategies, sometimes it may fail. So he should change always, and he has the skills about the implementation, so that they can easily, rapidly change their strategy and implement it. So they can practice or they can check that whether the result is come or not. So here the manager should act as an entrepreneur. When the business is here in the growth stage, sales is increasing, and also managers are too much busy their current work. So as the sales is increasing, there is a lots of lower management work is also increasing, because to deliver the product or deliver the service, they should do lots of lower management works. So in this stage, actually company hire lots of inexperienced people. So actually how the inexperienced people is going to be productive. To productive, actually managers managers have to standardization the process, because through a process, inexperienced person or inexperienced people can get easily developed. So here in this stage, actually managers should process the managers should standardizes the process. And in the maturity stage, actually what the role of a manager? In the maturity stage, company sales is increasing also, and the profit is high. But this is not the like as the in the growth stage. So when a company is in the maturity stage, sometimes they may feel that they are very much successful. So what is required actually in these stages as the management's roles and responsibilities? If we see that that Nokia company is also declining in the world, so they have in this stage, they do not go into the innovations, like they stop their innovation. So when a company is in here, if they did not perform the innovations work, they will actually go in the decline stages. So in these stages, actually managers roles to innovate something with regards to the business environment, how actually business environment is going there. So in this stage, managers should innovate something. And later on in decline stages, in this stage, actually company wants to cut the cost, but this is not the actually solution. Here in these stages, actually managers act like as an entrepreneur. Like they show that how they actually perform, how they actually set the strategies to company to companies come again in the growth stages. But here in a company, actually, we see that managers are not involved in these stages because they are very much busy in their current work. It has been said that 95% of current work are 95% of current works are actually managers. Sorry. 95% of current works actually revenue comes from the current works. So, and the 5% of revenue comes from the future works. So this is actually the harvesting, that people are seeding before and then after collecting this. And also this is also seeding. It takes lots of time. People are not willing to invest here because management always judge a person from this here. And for this reason, actually managers are busy with their current works. So actually this is a trap, because if we do not the seeding here, so if we do not seeding here, actually company will go to into the decline stages. So the summary is actually that in these every stages, a manager should think that what is their roles and responsibilities, and if actually in the future development in these words, actually if managers do not standardize their process, company will go in these stages, because bad standardization actually cannot develop their employees, and if we do not innovate something, a company also run into the going decline stages. So that's all my presentation.